Hello everyone, it's Christmas Eve. As you see, I'm dressed in my Christmas attire here, ready to open gifts tomorrow morning. But here are some that I want to open tonight. So these are Tablas from Muqtadas in Calcutta, and these are for some of my new students that are joining the Dhaa School of Music. And I thought, why not create an unboxing video to give you guys a first-hand experience of how these beautiful instruments travel 8,000, I think about 8,500 miles, and land here going through customs and security clearances and all of that stuff. And once they're home, what they go through. So just wanted to give you a quick first-hand experience. Let's go through it. Let's get right into it. So I've got my trusty multi-tool here, a Swiss army knife and stuff, and I've got my trusty assistant, Tablas, waiting to guide me on how to do this. So I'll open the smallest one first because I think this is one of the bayas that he made for me. And let's see. Ta-da! Yeah, be careful with the foam. It tends to disintegrate and then break up sometimes, so you might have foam particles all over, so just be careful. But here goes. Here's our first baya. Here it is. Ta-da! Some beautiful engravings on it. There's always beautiful engravings on there. This baya has come undamaged. Everything is beautiful. No dings or dents anywhere. And a nice little size for whoever wants to buy this. It's a nice full-size baya. I'll open it later, but meanwhile let's open the other boxes. I'll set this aside. And he does a great job of putting these boxes in. Really protects the instruments. I think these might be the other two bayas. I ordered 3 sets from him this time. Yep, they are. So I'm not going to remove the foam this time. I'm just going to take out the baya carefully. And look at the engravings on this one. This has a nice Ganesha in there, and some flowers. The Ganesha there is just amazing. I love it. Okay, so I'll open the other one also. Another beautiful copper colored baya. So same kind of engravings. You've already seen this, so I'll leave it to the side. Okay, now onto this package, which I believe are all the tablas. Tablas and the remaining accessories, which form the set. Basically, the set comes with a right hand drum, which is called the tabla, the left hand drum, which is called the Dhaa or the baya, which we just opened. It comes with a hammer and with the pegs that go into both the drums, and it comes with the rings that the drums sit on. A lot of times these tabla sets also come with a carry bag that allow you to take the instruments to different places and make it transportable. We'll see if he's packed it this time. If not, you can buy one easily from Ross. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. So I hope you're getting a view of this. There's foam inside, and it's covered nicely with everything else there. So Popples wants to call out a few things too. So beautiful black rings this time. So here are the pegs that go into the baya. There should be 8 of these per tabla set. So I'll take them out. Usually these just come loose in there. So 1, 2, 3. I'll pair them up as I open the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I've got 8 in a pair right here next to this baya. Also comes with beautiful hammers. These things are pretty heavy, which is good for tuning, and also embroidered. Now, a couple of times ago, I started getting these hammers, which allow you to get under the strap and actually do the major tuning, so you can actually lift it and put it on a peg when your tabla needs to be tuned. So these hammers have that nice little edge here, which allows you to get underneath the strap and then to come up. So that's a nice addition now. Earlier hammers didn't have that. So that's the hammer. And if you look here, both the tablas have foam on this side, and then the tabla, and then he's put the rings here, so they're pretty well protected. And then the bags are here, so very nicely protected. Nothing's gonna happen to these in transit, even if the FedEx or the UPS delivery guy is not in a good mood that day. So voila. Beautiful drums. Look at the color of that wood. And for a few times now I've had these nylon straps attached to it, because in Phoenix it gets pretty dry, and these nylon straps tend to keep tension longer than the leather straps. Beautiful looking drums. Look at that beautiful artwork on the bottom, exactly perfectly round, which is what you need for good resonance and balance. And pegs in here. We will open, and I'll open and show you these later once I get through this. So let me get through these now next. These are the bags. I see he's given me 2 colors this time. This is black. Just loosen it a little bit so it allows us to get into the bag, so I can show you what's there. There you go. It's nicely padded, and it has enough room for a tabla set and a few more of your accessories, if you will. So nice. I'll leave this to the side here. So these are the red color bags, same quality, but just different texture, different color. Sometimes the cracking doesn't want to come out, so be careful as you go in between these pegs. You want to be super careful that you're not cutting the nylon or anything. Just gently, it's really this packaging tape that needs to come out. So just be gentle with it, work with it a little by little, and it'll come through. Yeah. Here we have all the tablas now out, all the accessories out. So let me open this now. Here goes my first tabla. Look at that. Right off the box. There you go, that's the baya. Let me see what it's tuned to. Usually they come tuned to me either at an A or a C. Yeah, this is slightly sharper than a C. And here's another one. Sounds like a C sharp maybe. Between a C and a C sharp. Yeah, somewhere there in between, but we're still in range. Just a little bit of fine tuning will suffice for these. Yeah, so this is also somewhere between a C and a C sharp. So all of them are in range of where I want them to be. That's what I ordered. So this is beautiful. I mean, this is amazing. Beautiful tone for both instruments. So beautiful singing drums right off the box. Just a little bit bit of minor tuning here and there, and I think we're fine. And I'll show you the final drum that he's made for me. This one should be close to an E and at the lower octave, so slightly bigger head. Aha. Still going. Aha. Wow. And so I'll play with these a little bit more. My Christmas is made, but I hope you all have a happy, Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and wish you all a wonderful new year. Hopefully 2022 brings a lot of joy and a lot of happiness to all of us. If you're watching this video, let me know if you want to know anything more about these, and you can leave your comment down there and I'll get back to you. But yeah, feel free to subscribe, like the channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.